Hello everyone, welcome back to Optician. So today we are diving deep into an amazing role offered by the Firstsource Solution Limited, that is a machine learning engineer. So if you are passionate about AI and want to contribute to the cutting edge generative AI project, this is the perfect role for you. So what this will do then, as we are going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the day-to-day responsibilities are there. Each and everything are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the role overview. As a machine learning engineer role at First Source Solution, focuses on developing, training, and optimizing the generative AI models. This role is your chance to work on existing applications like text, image, and audio generation while collaborating with a diverse team to deliver the robust AI solutions. Now, let's talk about what are all the key responsibilities are there as a ML engineer in this role. So, you will be first the model development, where you will design and optimize the generative AI models by using the frameworks like TensorFlow and Python. Second, we have collaboration, working closely with the product managers, software engineers, and data scientists to understand the project requirements and deliver impactful solutions. The third is research and innovation. Stay updated on the latest advancements in your generative AI and implement the best practices to improve the model performance. The fourth is pipeline management, like you will develop a scalable machine learning pipelines for training and developing the models in production environment. The five, we have performance evaluation, where you will evaluate and fine tune the models to meet the performance accuracy and efficiency of the standards. The sixth is of data preparation, where performing the pre-processing, augmentation, and annotation to prepare a high quality datasets for the training. The seventh, you have troubleshooting, where you resolve the issues related to the model performance, data quality, and system integration as well. The last is of documentation, that is where we will document the architecture, processes, and matrices for the internal and client facing reports. Now let's talk about what are the requirements that are there for this role. So now a bachelor's or a master's degree in the computer science, machine learning, AI, or related field. And next we have experience, that is you don't have proven experience in developing and deploying the generative AI models. Next, our technical skills, that is a strong programming skills in Python, and also proficiency in the frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Also, you have a knowledge of NLP, computer vision, and other AI techniques, and hands-on experience with the cloud platforms like AWS, Cloud, Google Cloud, or Azure. So next, you have problem-solving skills, where you have ability to troubleshoot and resolve the issues very effectively. Advanced knowledge and experience with the GANs, VAEs, and other generative models is a big plus for this thing. And ethical AI practices, where you now understand for bias mitigation and ethical consideration in AI systems. The additional strengths, that is familiarity with the ML ops tools and practices, contribution to the open source projects or relevant research publications are a best thing in this role. Now, why you need to choose this first source solution? So here's what the you will get of cutting edge projects, where you'll be a forefront of generative and innovative, and collaborating with environment where you will work with the diverse teams for experts. The next we have career growth, opportunity to enhance your skills in machine learning as well. Industry impact, where you will develop AI solutions, and a real world problem solving, where you will drive the business success. Now, how to apply for this? It is very simple. The link in the description box. Now click on the link, you will redirect to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button. You can apply for this role. Make sure your resume highlights like skills in Python, TensorFlow, cloud platforms, and generative AI projects. Don't forget to showcase your problem solving skills and relevant research experience in this thing. What do you think about this role? So are you excited to apply? Let us know in the comment below. If you have any questions about this application process, drop them in the comments and we would like to help you. So make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends so that they can get benefit from this video. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. Good luck with your application.